In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Fortnite gift card on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquired a Fortnite gift card and you want to redeem it for V-Bucks or for certain items on your Nintendo Switch, sadly you will not be able to do it inside of the console itself. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the proper way to do it. If you go over to the Nintendo eShop, you sign into your Nintendo account, and you browse through all of the options, you will not be able to redeem the gift card. To redeem a Fortnite gift card either for items or V-Bucks, you need to go to the official website. So go over to a computer and open a web browser, or pick up your phone, any mobile device, and go to Fortnite.com. You just need to use a web browser to reach this website, either on PC like I'm doing here, or mobile. Once you are on this website, sign into the Epic Games account that you used to play Fortnite on the Switch, hover over your icon, and then you will have two options. You have Redeem and V-Bucks card. I'm gonna showcase both. If you go over to Redeem, you will be able to include an access code. Usually these codes are going to give you individual items, and they are tied to certain promotions. But if you acquired a V-Bucks card, which I believe should be the case for most people, select V-Bucks card or choose this option here. Go here to redeem, and you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, you will have one image of an example of a card, and as you can see under the supported devices, Nintendo Switch is listed. So like I said, this is the proper way to do it. Once you click Get Started, you can go ahead and include your PIN. They have this little image to help you find the PIN. It's going to be on the back of the card, and remember that it needs to be activated. So you need to go through checkout properly where you acquired the card. As soon as you include the PIN here, you will be able to redeem the card, and sadly I don't have one at hand to demonstrate this process, but you will still be able to redeem it here, and the V-Bucks are going to be immediately available on your Fortnite account. You can go into the item shop and purchase whatever you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Fortnite gift card on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.